In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze a row in Google Sheets. Freezing a row is a simple way to keep important information like headers or labels visible at the top of your screen while you scroll through long lists of data. This makes reading, comparing, and entering information much easier and far less error-prone. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and taking a moment to identify the row you want to keep fixed at the top. Most people freeze the header row so column names stay visible, but you can freeze any row that helps you navigate your data more confidently. Next, click on the row number directly below the row you want to freeze. This is important. You aren't clicking the row you want to keep, you're clicking the one just under it. For example, if you want to freeze the first row, click the number 2 along the left edge. When you click the row number, those gray boxes on the left, the entire row should highlight, confirming your selection. Once the correct row is selected, go to the View menu in the top toolbar. You'll find it along the top of the Google Sheets window next to options like Insert and Format. Click View to open the menu. From the drop-down, select Freeze. This opens a small panel of options related to freezing rows and columns. Because you've already selected the row below the one you want to keep, Google Sheets can calculate exactly where the freeze should stop. Choose the option that says Up to Current Row, X, where X matches the row number you clicked. Using our example, if you clicked row 2, the option will read Up to Current Row, 2. This tells Google Sheets to freeze everything from the very top down to the row above your selection, keeping the desired row locked in place. Now, scroll through your sheet to confirm that the chosen row stays visible while the other rows move. As you move down the page, that frozen row should remain pinned at the top, acting like a constant reference for your data below. If it doesn't look right, maybe you selected the wrong row, simply click a different row below the one you want to freeze and repeat the same steps. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've made your spreadsheet easier to read and work with, especially when dealing with large data sets. Keep this technique in mind whenever you set up new sheets so your headers and key information are always within view.